Hello students, today we will start the revision of unit 2, that is addition and subtraction. In this unit we have learnt about the addition and subtraction of 5 and 6 digit numbers and also learn about the uh, properties of addition and subtraction. So let us revise them. So how to add 5 or 6 digit numbers by arranging them in column? Let us do one example. So suppose we have to add the given numbers. Let us take 42,738. Second number is 3,141 and the third number is 52,180. So these are the three numbers and we have to add them. So how can we add? What we have to do is first of all arrange these numbers in column, like 42,738, then the next number. So before writing the next number, what we have to keep it in mind, हमें सबसे मेन इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ क्या माइंड में रखनी है कि हमारा जो वंस प्लेस है वंस प्लेस के नीचे ही आए, टेंस टेंस के नीचे, 100 के नीचे, 1000 के नीचे. दैट इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग और जो मिस्टेक्स ज़्यादातर बच्चे करते हैं. सो द नंबर इज 3141. सो दैट मीन्स वंस हमारा मैच जरूर करना चाहिए, वंस प्लेस. नेक्स्ट इज 52,180. सो 52,180. सो वी हैव टू ऐड देम. सो ऐड करना मुश्किल नहीं है बिकॉज हम थर्ड क्लास में भी सेकंड क्लास में भी एडिशन करते आ रहे हैं. एडिशन इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम, द प्रॉब्लम इज अरेंजिंग दैम इन कॉलम. अब मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स जो मिस्टेक करते हैं वो क्या करते हैं, 42,738 प्लस 3,141 प्लस 52,180. सो हियर दिस इज टोटली रॉन्ग. वाई? बिकॉज यहाँ पर आपका वंस प्लेस के नीचे नहीं आया. सो दिस इज द बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक जो बहुत सारे बच्चे कई बार करते हैं. सो हमें हमेशा जो हमारा वंस प्लेस है वो मैच होना चाहिए, बाकी हमारे ऑटोमेटिकली मैच हो जाते हैं. सो नेवर राइट इन दिस वे. सो दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज अरेंजिंग द नंबर्स इन कॉलम. Now add them. So 1 plus 8 is 9. Now 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. Carry over 1. Now 1, 2, 9, 10. Again carry over 1. 2 plus 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 5 plus 4, 9. So in this way we can easily arrange the numbers in column and add. Then let us take one more example so that it will be clear to you. 2,535, 123 and 6,53,313. Now we have to arrange these numbers in column. So what I have told you, what you have to keep it in mind, that your ones place should come under ones, tens under tens and 100 under 100. So ones place से आप लिखना शुरू कर दे. So first number is 2,535. Now the next number is 123. So 3 comes under ones, 2 under tens and 1 under 100 place. Next is your 6,53,313. Again 3 should come under ones place because it is at ones place, 1 at tens, 3 at 100, next 3 at 1000, then 5 and 6. So in this way you can arrange these numbers and add them. So here 3 plus 3 6 plus 5 is 11, and then 1 2 3, 3 plus 3 6 plus 1 7, then 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 5 9, then 3 plus 2 is 5 5 6. So this is the answer, that is 6,55,971. 1. So now I hope that you will not mistake in arranging the numbers in column. Now next we will learn how to revise how to subtract. That also you are doing from class 2nd. So I will do one question for you, that is subtract. In subtraction there are 3 types of questions, and I will discuss all of them. Suppose A part, 78,321 from 85,213. This is the first type. Then I will take more example. B part, in that you have to find the difference. Find difference. Find the difference. So the question is 6,54,372 and 1,28,453. And then one more question. In this type, the question is subtract. And the question is like 9,347 minus 1,251. So you can see here there are 3 types of question. Here there is from between these 2 numbers, here is and here is this sign of subtraction. So what is the difference between these 3 questions? Whenever the from comes between the 2 numbers, that means you have to subtract second number by first. That means हमने second number जो है वो ऊपर लिखना है और second number हमारा हमेशा greater होगा जब बीच में from आया है. तो subtract करना है हमें इसको किससे, इसमें से. So we will write this number on the top and the first number the bottom, 321. Then we will subtract it. And in this case हमें खुद देखना है which number is greater and which one is smaller. यहाँ पर हम लोगों के पास कोई डायरेक्ट वो नहीं है, हमें दोनों में से कंपैरिजन करना है which one is greater. अब कई बार ग्रेटर नंबर बाद में भी आ जाता है, कई बार ग्रेटर नंबर पहले भी होता है. सो वी हैव टू चेक इट. एंड हियर इन दिस केस which one is greater? 6,54,372 or 1,28,453. So yes, 6,54,372 is greater. So we will write this number on the top. 54,372 minus 1,28,453. So here we have to check which one is greater and smaller. But in this first case, here is already given that we have to subtract this from this. That means second number हमारा greater होगा तो हम ये ऊपर लिखेंगे और first number नीचे. But in this case जब and है बीच में and difference find out करना है तो हमें खुद देखना है which one is greater. And in third case, here 9,347 minus 1,251. Here also there is no need to check because बीच में minus sign है तो हमें इसी तरह से subtract करना पड़ेगा. We don't have any option. आपका first number greater है and second number is smaller. So these are the 3 types of question that comes in subtraction. So इसको बड़े ध्यान से आपने देख के करना है. So let us subtract these numbers. Now first one. So in subtraction what we have to see? We have to check that our upper digits should always be greater. कि हमारे जो upper digits हैं वो बड़े होने चाहिए. अगर छोटे हैं तो हम उनको बड़ा बनाएंगे. कैसे? Borrow करके. So here 3 is greater than 1. So it is fine. हमें कुछ नहीं करना है. Then next 1 is smaller than 2. So what we will do? We will borrow from 100 place. So it will become 11, and what will left over here is 1. Now again 1 is smaller than 3, so again we will borrow from 1000 place, so it will again become 11, and what will left over here is 4. Now again 4 is smaller than 8, so again we will borrow it. It will become 14, and what will left over here is 7. So in this way we have to make the upper digits greater, and then we will subtract it. Subtract करना मुश्किल नहीं है. 3 minus 1 is 2, and 11 minus 2 is 9. 11 minus 3 is 8. 14 minus 8 is 6. 7 minus 7 is 0. So in this way you can subtract. So बस आपने क्या ध्यान देना है, बीच में अगर फ्रॉम है तो सेकंड नंबर ऊपर, फर्स्ट नीचे. एंड है तो आपने चेक करना है कौन सा बड़ा है कौन सा छोटा है. So we will subtract this second question. Again प्रोसीजर सबको सब्ट्रैक्ट करने का सेम है. ग्रेटर अपर डिजिट शुड बी ग्रेटर. सो यहाँ पर छोटा है तो we will borrow, it will become 12. What will left is 6. Now 6 is greater than 5, it's fine. Now 3 is again smaller than 4, so it will borrow and it will become 13, and what will left over here is 3. Again 3 is smaller, so we will borrow and it will become 13. What will left over here is 4. Now 4 is greater than 2 and 6 is greater than 1. So we will now subtract it. Now 12 minus 3, 9. 6 minus 5 is 1. 13 minus 4 is 9. And then 13 minus 8, 5. And 4 minus 2 is 2, and 6 minus 1 is 5. So this is the answer. And in the third case, what we have to do? We have to subtract again. So we will check the upper digits. 7 is greater than 1, fine. 4 is smaller than 5, so we will borrow, it will become 14. What will left over here is 2, and then 2 and 2 is equal, so there is no need to borrow. Now we can subtract. 9 is again greater, so we can subtract now. 7 minus 1 is 6. 14 minus 5, 9. 2 minus 2, 0. 9 minus 1 is 8. So in this way we can subtract the numbers. Now there is another question in which you have to check the answer. So how can you check the answers in subtraction? Very easy. What you have to do is you have to add the difference. That means जो आपका आंसर आया है, the difference and the subtrahend. Subtrahend means जो आपका smaller number था, that is subtrahend. So we have to add these two and then we can check the answer. Let us check. How can we check the answer? That is very important because in exams many times it is asked as subtract and check your answer. तो कोई एग्जाम में भी आता है कई बार कि सब्ट्रैक्ट करो और चेक कीजिए आंसर. तो चेक करने के भी मार्क्स मिलते हैं अगर आपको क्वेश्चन में मेंशन्ड होता है. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू ऐड दीज टू. सो ये हमें ऊपर ले जाना है 8096 एंड वी हैव टू ऐड दीज टू. सो वी कैन ऐड दीज टू. 1251, add them. If our answer is equal to this minuend, then the answer is correct. So add them. 6 plus 1 is 7. 9 plus 5 is 14. Carry over 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 8 plus 1, 9. So you can check whether it is equal to this 9347, 9347. So yes, our answer is correct. In the same way, if you want to check the upper numbers, you can also check. और इसके लिए हमें इन दोनों को प्लस करना है. सो वी विल ऐड देम. चेक, ऐड कीजिए. व्हाट इज दिस? 78,321 and the difference is 6,892. Add them. 2 plus 1, 3. 9 plus 2, 11. 1. 8. 3, 11 plus 1 is 12. 1. 6 plus 8, 14 plus 1, 15, 1 carry over, 7 plus 1, 8. Let us check whether this sum and this minuend are same or not. So it is 85,213 and here it is also 85,213. So yes, our answer is correct. So in this way we can subtract and check the answers. So in next video we will revise the properties of addition and subtraction. Thank you.